Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the purpose of today's video is to give somewhat of a tribute to my beautiful Barranquilla, Colombia, which is where I was born. It's more famously known as the birthland also of Shakira. Yes, we're from the same land. So Barranquilla celebrated their 207th birthday. I wanted to pay tribute to my beautiful country, my beautiful city of Barranquilla, and I wanted to do a makeup look inspired by their colors on their flag, and this is one of their most common costumes. It's called La Marimonda. We have the sombrero volteado, and over here it says Carnaval. And so I was inspired to do a makeup look based on Barranquilla's birthday, which was on April 7th. Barranquilla turned 207 years old. So it's an old city, but it's a beautiful city. And like they say, quien no te conoce te sueña, y quien te conoce jamás te olvida. So that translated means those who don't know you dream about you, and those who do know you will never forget you. So I'm telling you, my city, I love my city. It's a beautiful city. It's a growing city. It's a very populated city. And if you guys ever have the chance to go there, you will love it. And I'm not saying that just because I'm from there. No, there's so much to do, so much to see, so much to learn about. So as you guys can already tell, I have done my face makeup and my eyebrow. I have no idea what exactly I'm going to be doing. This is completely improvised, and I hope it turns out well. It's not a total disaster. So I'm going to be using the colors of the Barranquilla flag, that's our beautiful flag. They are red, yellow, and green. Those are the colors on the flag with a white star. So I'm debating whether or not to do a star. I'm a little nervous about that, but we'll see how this turns out. So let's jump right into it. As you already know, we're going to start with a transition color. I will be using the Roxy color from the Anastasia Subculture palette. And I'm going right into my crease. And you want to make sure you bring this all the way up. Okay guys, now we are going in with that red shade. And I'm using this palette that I actually picked up from my local beauty supply store. It's from the Nicka K New York 23 Perfect 23 matte color. So this is the color right here. It's the red color. It looks orange on camera, but I promise you it's red. I'm using a smaller blending brush. This one is from the Shop Miss A AOA Studio E135 brush. Right below that Roxy color. So now I am going to be grabbing the green shade from the palette Magnifies Color Edition from Rimmel London. So I'm using the green shade in this palette. It's this shade right here. I'm going to be grabbing even a smaller blending brush. And this is the AOA Studio E136 blending brush. So I'm going to be applying that in our outer corner. Now I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to cut half of that crease so we can apply the next color. I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer in the shade GC973 Creamy Beige. A secret I learned a while ago to make your crease perfect is to look up after you've applied the concealer, and that gives you the outline for where you should be cutting your crease. I'm using this very flat brush. This is from Ulta Beauty. Now I'm going to be using the yellow from my Festival Profusion palette. It's in the shade Sunnies. I'm going to be taking this flat brush right here from Sephora, and we're going to be applying that where I cut my crease. We'll go back to the AOA Studio E136 blending brush to try and make that green a little brighter now. So to make this look even more amazing, I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner. It's this very pretty gold glitter, and I'm going to be cutting that crease that I created with this glitter. I'm going to be taking the AOA Studio E117 brush. It's like a liner brush, and I use this to do my wing all the time. Okay guys, so I have my eyeliner on now. I'm going to be taking, I use the color, you can't even see it anymore because it actually broke, and it's such a pretty color. It's this white color here from the Rimmel London Magnifies Color Edition palette. It broke, but there's still some left in there. Look how pretty that white is. So I applied that in my inner corner. I'm using this blending brush from Wet n Wild. It's a flat, fluffy blending brush. I'm going to be repeating the same colors I used on top on my lower lash. To line my eyes, I'm going to be using the NYX Wonder Pencil in the color Light. I love this thing. I use it all the time. Okay, you guys, so we have the first eye done. I'm going to go ahead and do it on the second eye, and I'll be right back with you. I'm going to do it off camera, and I'll be back to apply lashes, and then we will be finished. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished the other eye, and what do you guys think? I love how this look came out. It's everything I envisioned. I'm so happy I was able to do it. The red I wish was a little brighter, but I'm not mad. It's okay. It looks good. Okay guys, I'm gonna be putting on the lashes in the style Bouffant by Kiss. I have worn these before and I love them. They're so pretty, so flirty, so cute. So I want to go ahead and put these on. So these are on. What do you guys think? How pretty are these lashes? I love them and they're so comfortable to wear. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting on mascara and we will be almost finished with this look. Alright guys, there you have it. I have applied the lashes and the mascara. What do you guys think? Lashes really make such a big difference with any look, and these are my favorite lashes ever. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish off my face makeup. I'm gonna be applying some contour. I'm using the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. I mixed the two shades in here, the two darkest shades. I mixed them. Bring that up a little bit. Watch out for your edges. Those are not going nowhere. I glued them on. Now guys, I'm gonna be applying some blush. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. I'm going to be using the shade Rose, which is this last one here. These are very pigmented, which I love. And this is such a pretty color for my skin tone. I love it. Okay guys, so to emphasize more this red color, I'm going to be doing a red lip. I will be lining my lips with the Wet n Wild lip liner crayon in the color Berry Red. Beautiful. Then I'm going to be using this beautiful red lipstick from the AOA Studio Wonder Lip Lock 24-hour lipstick. This thing does not lie when it says it's on forever. It's in the color Genius. Okay guys, so there is our lipstick application. As you guys can see, it's a very matte red, very pretty. It looks almost orange on camera, but it's pretty red in person. So our very last step is going to be adding some highlighter to our face. Before I add the highlighter, I always like to make my face very, very wet. I like to first set my face, so I'm going to be doing that. I'm using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Fix and Go setting spray. It's also a primer, but I like to use it as a setting spray. As a highlighter today, I'm going to be using the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in the color Macaroon. Okay guys, this is the end result of my makeup look inspired by the beautiful flag of my home city, Barranquilla, Colombia. I'm so happy how this look came out. I'm so excited to show all of you guys, and I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. And if you guys want to recreate it, feel free to tag me in your photos. You can find me on social media on these platforms. I have Instagram and Facebook, and of course YouTube. All of my social media accounts have the same name, Paola Beauty Artistry. If you guys are interested in following me, you can follow me there and find me on those platforms. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments or suggestions for a video that you guys would like me to do, if there's anything in specific that you guys would like to see on my channel, please leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to read your comments and reply to you guys and take all of your suggestions into consideration. Thank you so much again, you guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye.
What?